So for this next recipe, Santa's going to do a typical, I guess, soup of this region called zuppa di lenticchie. Va bene?
Sì.
Allora, come incominciamo? Dai.
Iniziamo dalle lenticchie,
Che sono?
queste qua di col fiorito,
Del colferito.
bollite.
Non messe nell'acqua?
No, possiamo anche metterle direttamente, un quarto d'ora, 20 minuti sono pronti.
So what she's saying is rather than soaking them in water, they're beautiful lentils, she's just boiled them up with some bay leaf.
Naturalmente sono già pulite, quindi non troviamo niente all'interno, quindi sassolino o quant'altro. Magari possiamo anche per la nostra sicurezza passarle un attimo e controllare se c'è qualche...
What she's saying is that it's basically, it's all the lentil, there's not a lot of dirt, it already comes packaged like this. Bene?
Okay. Poi le mettiamo a bollire con delle foglie d'alloro e uno spicchio d'aglio.
And she puts in also some garlic.
Per una 20 minuti, dipende un po' dalla lenticchia, dal tipo della lenticchia, può esserci 30 minuti, 20 minuti, un quarto d'ora, dipende un po' dal tipo delle lenticchie.
So another thing, this is by eye, she will boil this for anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes depending on the lentil. So this is how simple this soup is. So once she has already boiled the lentils, she's then going to do a soffritto, which for the Italians of course always encompasses carrot, celery and onion, very quickly with some garlic. The local oil, of course. Poi mettiamo il guanciale subito, come a pezzettini. So she gets the guanciale, which of course is made from the pork jowl, and all in little cubes. So it's very delicate, and it will just disintegrate. It melts through. Per quanto tempo?
20 minuti, ma 20 minuti, un quarto d'ora, 20 minuti è pronto.
So sauteing it very softly. Then she adds in the cooked lentils with some
Olio d'oliva.
olio di oliva e acqua.
Olio d'oliva e acqua, certo.
Yeah, and that's it. And she'll cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Of course, Emmy's here to serve up our fantastic zuppa di lenticchie. We've got a crew of 9 of us that have come all the way from Australia to eat this hearty soup. As you can see, it's dense but still liquid enough. You can adjust that as you see fit. And she's going to dress it with the local olive oil. So the last part of this dish, of course, is to dress it with some beautiful croutons of bread. It's house-made bread, which has been flavoured with beautiful aromatic herbs, basically fennel and rosemary and sage, and you get a beautiful, rich flavour to accompany the lentil soup. So for the final recipe, Santa's going to make a beautiful dish called crepes al fiocco, crispelle, whatever you like, but we're going to call it crepes because that's what they are, based on the classical French recipe, I guess. Allora, come si fa?
Allora, prepariamo l'impasto della crispella originale,
Sì.
quindi con latte, farina e uova.
Ok.
Al nostro impasto originale andremo ad aggiungere un ristretto di vino rosso.
To make a basic crepe, flour, milk, eggs, of course, that's pretty basic.
Okay.
So the thing that's going to set this dish apart, of course, is the use of sagrantino. And who better to ask than Aldo Di Filippo, who of course is the man that has organised this fantastic tour here at Colsanto. Allora, spiegami, Sagrantino, dimmi.
So Sagrantino, it's a typical wine from the area,
Yes.
from Montefalco area.
Yes. Which is
it's
a
made-
DOCG, isn't
which
it?
is a DOCG, obviously. It's made by Sagrantino grape.
Yeah.
And the characteristic of the wine, obviously, it's a big wine in big structure.
Yes.
And more than anything, it has a big tannins.
Yes.
So
Which
obviously,
is good for aging, isn't it? Does that mean it's got long life?
very long life. So
All
it's
right.
better to drink it a little bit aged.
All
So
right.
in this case, obviously, we have a great example of a classic Sagrantino di Montefalco from Fattoria Colsanto.
And that was a classic description. Thank you.
Prego.
Allora, cosa facciamo adesso?
Adesso prepariamo la crepe.
Hai unto la padella?
La padella con il burro.
So just put a bit of butter just to oil the pan. Bello. It's bubbling, it's bubbling, perfetto.
Giriamo, va? Dove si gira?
Per finire questa bellissima ricetta, dimmi cosa abbiamo?
Abbiamo le patate bollite.
So the boiled potatoes are novelle, as Emmy has told me, so they're new potatoes.
Andremo ad aggiungere i funghi porcini.
Fresh porcini mushrooms, of course, which are the king of the mushrooms, which is just simply sauteed with olive oil.
Ok.
Così.
Aggiungiamo.
Tagliati a pezzettini.
Tagliati a pezzettini.
Cut into little pieces.
E poi la salsiccia.
So she's got beautiful pork sausage, which basically she has cooked and then crumbled.
Aggiustiamo con un po' di parmigiano perché comunque la salsiccia è saporita, i porcini già sono saporiti, quindi aggiustati di sale. Andremo ad aggiungere soltanto un pochino di parmigiano.
So what she's saying, she's not going to season this with salt and pepper. It doesn't need it because there's enough flavour in the sausages and the porcini, and she's just going to add some parmigiano just to bring it all together. Bene.
Amalgamiamo bene. Andiamo a farcire la crepa.
Ok. Sono fagottini, little
Fagottini.
Fagottini, which is like little money bundles. Now look how she does this. She's going to bring it together, pleating the top of the crepe and securing it with a toothpick. Little money bags. So now that it's complete, of course, Santa's going to put it in the oven. Quanti gradi?
180 gradi.
Per quanto tempo?
10 minuti.
10 minutes. Beautiful. So for the final part of the dish, once the crostelle have been cooked, beautiful Santa has made a lovely sauce. Si chiama, come la chiamo? Una fonduta? No.
Una fonduta,
Like
una fonduta di parmigiano.
So it's basically cheese, bechamel,
Bechamel
e panna fresca. So fresh cream, bechamel and cheese. Today she's chosen to use parmigiano, but you can use pecorino. It's so elegant, simplistic but beautiful. Bene.
Allora adesso lo facciamo.
And of course there is one final little twist to this recipe, which is of course I tartufi di Norcia. Look at that. Fresh, pungent. It really is the king in this area. Bene. Well, viewers, I hope you have enjoyed this program. I have absolutely loved bringing you to this part of the world. Of course, we are in central Italy, and you have met some great characters. We've talked not only about the beautiful wines of this region, of course, Sagrantino, which is quite new to me and is quite new to Australia, and I know that they're going to bring it out to the world, and hopefully we could do for this grape what I guess we've done for Nebbiolo and Chianti. But also, I must say, the food is amazing. We've shared some great recipes. We've talked about some of the local produce here, which of course, the lentils that come from here, of course the truffles that come from here. It's a beautiful story, and I hope that you continue to stay tuned because we've got some more wonderful people that we're going to meet on this trip here in Italy this time around. Ciao ciao, alla prossima, ciao!